在台东。
Yes, in Taitung, which is Taidong?
Oh.
PingTung.
PingTung.
It's PingTung. Yeah, it's PingTung. It's okay. It's okay. This is the most southern county of Taiwan, and it's basically where the tip is. And now from here, we're just gonna keep going up the east coast. But we wanted to stop and see some beautiful nature while we were here. What else do you guys want to see?
I think this is awesome because you can feel peace in yourself and enjoy the natural. I don't know. This is very good.
I can feel relaxed very much.
Yeah, it's a good place.
With the nature. Very good.
Super nice.
Yes.
So live the day.
Live today.
Cheers.